morning.
Hello. Good morning. Is everybody hungry?
Jinx.
And ready for breakfast?
And Binx.
Yeah.
It's cool out.
Yeah, very cool. Mama's off in the distance, just waiting for breakfast, holding back.
You guys want to go eat? Come on, let's go eat.
Back. Okay, this is that yummy, stinky, funk in the trunk stuff. Who's ready? Okay, make squeeze in here, guys. Okay, you guys ready? The old stinky stuff. Oh, he put his foot in the. He put his foot in there. He put his foot in the food. Who was that?
Probably Binx.
Binx, you're a nut, buddy.
All right.
Put your foot right in it.
You all enjoy. We'll be right back.
Oh, sweet.
Did you get enough to eat?
I got another treat, though. I got some churros. Lickable treat.
Binx is still.
I got these. Think they'll eat those?
I'm gonna try out some churros for kittens.
Yeah, lickable treats. Let's see. What do we got?
Are you
Tuna
interested?
with scallops. Chicken with scallops.
Biting it. I think Minx figured it out. Oh yeah, she's biting it. Oh, poor Binx. I think Minx is. Yeah, you want me to give you a little bit, buddy?
I got another one. They bite it.
Yeah, they're
just a lick.
Yeah.
You guys haven't gotten used to this yet, huh?
Whoa, she's biting the side of it.
Here's another one.
It's like a kid with a popsicle for the first time.
Here you go, hon. You want to try this one?
Get Binx a little bit. I'll leave her on the pink one.
Okay, he's getting the hang of the licking part.
You want to try, buddy?
He thinks it's different. That yours is different than mine. This is hilarious. I got one more. But let me see if I can squeeze from the bottom again. I'm sure there's a bunch left.
Yeah, there probably is.
Let me see if I can do this. Yesterday I did it with Chiwa and I smacked her in the face when I was trying to squeeze it. I need one of those toothbrush things. You know, when you squeeze your toothpaste out of it.
Yeah. Minx is getting it all over. She is covered.
It must be tasty.
It does look tasty. Jinx, you didn't get anybody.
Here you go, hon. You want to try some?
Let me distract Binx. He's licking my fingers.
All right, I think we squeeze this one out as much as we can. Let's squeeze from the bottom. Let's just fold it.
It's like the first time the ice cream truck comes in a neighborhood of kids.
Look at the tree. They're like, man, this is delicious. This is
You got a little on your face. You're going to have to clean your face off, sweetie.
All right, he's licking the packaging. All right,
Yeah.
I got one more.
Maybe just save that.
Well,
Don't want to Jones them out too much.
One more. Who got the least?
Jinx. He got ripped off.
I don't know. He got almost my whole sleeve. All right, let me do another one. Okay.
Oh, that's green.
Yeah, this one's chicken. Who's trying this? You want to try or are you going to try?
Binx is like, I can eat.
He's eating the packaging. Am I not squeezing that fast enough?
Give Jinx a little.
All right, here you go, hon. Hurry. They're licking it at the same time. Biting the end. All right, let me squeeze it from the bottom. Like a popsicle here. When she discovers it, she's going to like, get in there. That's crazy.
Well,
I think
sure,
this
worked out.
This was a hit. Did you give her a bunch? Does she need more? Does she want to try chicken?
She got a lot of the pink.
Minx. Minxie. Hey, sweetie. You want some of this? You want to try the chicken? You want to try this one?
She's like, what's going on?
You got to eat faster than that when I squeeze it out. three mouths trying to lick this one thing. Oh, my gosh. All right, let me start from the bottom. Alright, here we go. I'm going to end up dropping it on your head. Be careful. Try to get it evenly.
Well, 5-star review for churro.
You ain't
Churro.
kidding.
I think it's churro.
Churro.
Irresistible churro.
I think it's called lickable
And Nava.
treats or something.
This is our review.
Yeah, good boy. That was delicious. You liked that, didn't you?
You have a toy? Of course.
It might have
Binx.
lost its luster already.
Nah, Binx is into it. Ooh, look at Minx.
Look how they jump around it.
Got it now.
Hurry.
You think the squirrel's more fun to chase than the toy?
He got jealous. He's like, wait, what's going on down there? Look at those things. Yeah, look at those nails. Those walnuts sound like grenades falling. Wow. You're trying to steal my hoodie string. What are you guys doing? Look at those nails. Oh boy. Here we go. He's walking.